सफाई मित्र सुरक्षा चैलेंज है।
सफाई मित्र
मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ
सैनिटेशन
मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हाउसिंग एंड अर्बन अफेयर ओनली
नहीं नहीं
because there is no ministry separate like sanitation.
okay housing and
That one, yeah. It is for sanitation worker.
okay
In your PG they come to clean.
no auntie is there
So that is what sanitation worker.
but not from the ministry of sanitation they are
No, but it will come under sanitation worker I am saying.
sanitation workers
Yeah.
that is सफाई कर्मचारी sanitation
Yeah. Then PM Swanidhi. Here is the
PM
catch.
स्वानिधि
PM Swanidhi. This scheme has been initiated, during COVID-19. Yeah. So tell me, it is about what? It is about street vendor. Because the one who sells
Selling
the
vegetables
tomato, potato, onion and all.
these are vegetables you can say
Yeah. Perishable items and all. So they are PM Swanidhi, and it is under Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Okay.
dadi she's so young yaar
Swachh Sarvekshan.
swachh
स्वच्छ सर्वेक्षण
Yeah.
एक minute what is the meaning of सर्वेक्षण
environment
Survey.
survey
no
ministry
environment
Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs.
how it come in a housing and
हाँ
urban
yes
affairs,
yeah
huh?
it is
See,
urban development
see,
is a
let
survey
me give you hint, guys. See, Swachh.
no I know I will tell you it is not under environment because in this sector
I'm telling
in
you
this
how it is under that home affairs
see that is under I'm telling now. Open defecation ODF plus certifications have done in this chapter
Yeah.
ODF plus ODF
They
plus
all come
plus
under this only.
cities ODF plus cities like that so this is come
yeah, I
under
want to think so wide
My work.
thinking
I
is
said the
getting
wrong
narrow
ministry. I said wrong ministry.
Grand ICT challenge. ICT means information communication technology
information communication
and technology.
ministry of
IT ministry.
IT ministry of IT
Yeah. Right. And Ambedkar Social Innovation Mission.
SC welfare.
Hmm?
SC.
नहीं ministry of what you said
Ambedkar Social Innovation Mission.
Ambedkar
Social PL.
Social justice.
Yeah, you can do. Come on.
Social justice.
Yeah, Ministry of Social Justice.
you can do what you
सरल जीवन बीमा.
सरल जीवन बीमा.
सरल जीवन
Pension.
ministry of
जीवन means yeah,
LIC.
insurance.
Insurance.
ministry of
Ministry of
Insurance.
insurance ministry of insurance is there
yeah, Ministry of Insurance.
hey
Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India.
Insurance Regulatory
Development Authority of India. IRDAI. Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of
India
India.
How much are
Huh? Sit. One district, one product scheme.
Wait, you say them to go
they? What? Karma. You know? You said na karma. We make they go. Make them.
Yeah.
Make them go. No, they will come.
One district, one product scheme.
One district.
one product
One product scheme.
GST.
ministry of commerce and industry
How?
that guy same guy
How?
one product one screen na product like commerce one wrong this also wrong
Ministry of
commerce
How? You have seen?
no
Then link it.
I was
Yeah, link it.
because commerce is the product one na that's why I linked
Okay, nice.
You are lying.
You know,
You are
it's-
lying.
I didn't see I was seeing that guy who was sitting here
Why are
get
you-
irritated because of us go that side na
देखिए
चलो
मर्केंडाइज एक्सपोर्ट फ्रॉम इंडिया स्कीम
merchandise support.
This is very obvious, yaar.
Customs.
Customs.
There is no custom ministry, yaar.
External.
Commerce.
Ministry of Commerce and Industry.
Commerce, na?
Yeah. Samarth scheme, beautiful question. Here is the catch.
Meaning of Samarth?
It,
Help.
it is for a kind of a textile worker,
The
clothes.
Ministry of Textiles.
Yeah. And
So we have to learn the schemes and its purposes to take out the ministry.
also establishment here. National Sagarmala Sea Plant Service.
Sagarmala Marine.
There is no marine ministry.
एक में रुको ना, marine सागर.
Yeah.
Ministry of Marine.
It is not marine, it is marine.
No, it's marine.
No, pronunciation is marine, okay? Check it. Let me check.
Ministry of Port, Shipping.
See,
and
there are two kinds of accent, okay? British and American. It can be different, eh? But I think marine.
Marine.
Yeah. Now see American accent.
Marine.
Oh, it's okay. Forget it. It's about.
You seen how he got excited when I said marine?
No, you know what? There's a different actually marine. Sorry, American accent. Yeah, Sagarmala Sea Supply means it comes under Ministry of Ports and Shipping and Waterways. It is for tourists and travelers who travels through the sea. Okay, Atal Bimit Vyakti Kalyan Yojana.
Vyakti Kalyan. Atal.
Bimit Vyakti Kalyan
Bimit is
Yojana.
the
Bimit means like insurance. Insurance.
Ministry of. Hey, what you told for insurance one? Ministry.
IRDA.
IR.
No, but that will not come under it.
Institution for
It is for Ministry of Labor and Employment.
purpose what?
Unemployed person to give financial support to unemployed person.
बट उसमें तो कुछ और लिखा है ना, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ इंश्योरेंस वाला कुछ ऐसा लिखा है, बीमा.
See, that is no what.
पर अब मुझे
That is for.
just make me understand the scheme in English.
See, you have to remember the purpose. Na, the purpose of this is that to give financial assistance to unemployed person. That's why. That's why. Are you getting what I'm saying? National Career Service Project.
Carrier.
Career means what?
Courier.
Commerce.
Commerce and
Career means job career. To Ministry of Labor and Employment.
career.
Ministry of Labor and Employment.
Employment will come.
Yeah.
पकड़ो इसे, पकड़ो. जाने नहीं देंगे. नहीं. चलो पकड़ लिया. अभी जाने देंगे. नहीं.
Vision.
इधर आओ.
Vision 2035.
Vision 2035.
Yeah. Vision 2035.
Vision 2035.
Yeah.
Ministry of. नहीं आता.
Any organization who is think tank in India?
Niti Aayog.
Yeah. So that.
Wait, na. Say together. Why you so hurry?
I know think tank of India.
Okay. आत्मनिर्भर भारत.
Atmanirbhar Bharat.
Atmanirbhar Bharat. It is given by
Self-reliance, no?
Yeah. Self-reliance.
How you knew?
Atmanirbhar. Self.
But it is a ministry, not
She
not a
knows that
ministry.
much. Huh? Atal Innovation Mission.
Atal Innovation.
Actually, it is not ministry. It is a wadi which has initiated this initiatives. Okay. And the next is Startup India Seed Fund Scheme.
Startup India is a
Seed.
seed. Ministry of Skills.
Rural
Ministry of Commerce and Industry.
Commerce.
Startup, na startup. It means what?
Here, startup means the skills one only.
Industries or
New industry. What
MSME.
means new industry?
Why
Open
not
new industry.
MSME?
But it is not for small, na. It is for large.
Only there it is.
It is for small startup. That's why it is becomes some Ministry of.
Startup India Seed Fund Scheme.
Yeah. So this department comes under Ministry of Commerce and Industry. That's why.
Okay, done.
Not done. This is the thing which I told you about the ministry establishment year and once more what
Ending.
ending and purpose as well. Okay. Now on the basis of this session, now I will check you how you guys have learned. Answer this question. Answer this question. Listen. Repeat.
Abha.
Answer this
Which of the
question.
following
Not,
national
no, I will not speak. It is written here. Now I will check it who is going to give the correct answer. Don't touch it because there is an answer below.
which of the following objective
zoom it.
No, I can't zoom because there is an answer below, na.
अच्छा keep
you
it
can
in here.
hear
I can't.
you can
हाँ, you can do it like this.
It is visible, yaar.
no she
Yeah.
don't have now
Yeah, nah.
chashma.
You didn't even show the D option. Now it's showing.
Yeah.
Achha, which of the following are the objective of National Nutrition Mission? To awareness related with malnutrition among pregnant women and lactating mothers, use the incidence of anemia among young children.
To promote the convention of poultry national
Nutrition. We studied this scheme.
Not see, you cannot read everything. Just you have to use the common sense. Actually, from today, I will initiate one other feature in my discussion in the current affair.
3 and 4.
Now I will check. See, if you guys will answer this question, na, so you guys will clear your exam in first attempt only. Really? Now I challenge. Now you answer the question. There is a challenge.
2 and 3.
Yeah.
2 and
You
3.
you can take own time, no problem. There is no time foundation. But the problem is that the answer should be right.
2 and 3.
Okay, you answer 2
Because
and
2
3.
is there everywhere. That's why.
No, in D there is no 2.
I mean 2 is common. That's why.
You use your own mind, okay? Don't think about her. It can be wrong as well. C can be wrong as well.
It's not. Middle course. Third is there. Third and fourth, or second and third. Promote the poultry. Eggs are never being polluted. 2 and 3. 1 and 2. 2 and 3.
No use a mobile, huh?
No, I am seeing my photo.
Yeah.
2 and 3.
No use a mobile.
and 3?
Till then.
2 and 3.
2 and 3?
Huh. Because fourth part is not will be there. Because you can't say na to use the consumption of poultry eggs. It's not
So
right.
why
Why
cannot?
not natural eggs?
So why cannot be 1 and 2 then?
One means
Yeah,
create
it's a
only
pregnant-
awareness.
It's a pregnant women and lactating mothers, no? That is malnutrition.
Here only awareness, creating
Awareness
awareness.
is there, na?
Please mind it should not be wrong, okay? I told you guys.
Because 1 is not there and 4 is not there. So we can take out filter out the options now. That is 2 and 3.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Because I'm filtering out the option.
Then don't repent later on.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah. Should answer?
Yeah, only.
I was saying like, why not? Yeah. Still you people didn't realize.
But I said now we are filtering out, so I thought ki even will be not.
Now see how to answer this kind of question. Because you cannot read everything and you go in the problem, then you can create. You have to use your brain. See. Now see. If we use our little bit brain, unused brain, so you know what? We can understand one thing. See, these two, listen carefully here. Yeah. These two and these two are similar. It means these two are similar or these two are similar. So either 1, 2 will be right or 3 or 4 will be right. Because see, Beeman and here Beeman and here consumption, here consumption. So like that you guys have to actually link in exam. So 2 and 3 can never be right. Like that you could have eliminated. So
नहीं लेकिन ये said ना national nutrition mission तो nutrition is there in this also.
so why not here also?
Poultry eggs.
Poultry
Yeah.
eggs not na.
We can
Why they
consume
say
natural
poultry
eggs.
eggs?
Maybe
And in this-
vegetarians are there.
And this one I haven't choose because it's an awareness of malnutrition
that's
one.
why.
Na?
So why?
Awareness part.
Because rural people are not aware about the malnutrition, na? So you can create the awareness because various schemes are initiated for the awareness only, na? See, what we write in the challenge like there's like awareness the people. So yes, why can't be there? Tell me, why can't be there?
Okay.
Actually, you guys have disappointed, yeah. Really, this is really discouraging. This is really discouraging. There is one more question, but this time actually it should be right. Yeah, you guys don't see the answer first. Let me open it.
Real.
This question should be right, please. Yeah,
With reference
Zoom
to
it now.
national.
it is zoomed. Yeah, now it cannot be more than
Reference
that.
of national investor and to like infrastructure fund, which is the fund to is an organ of NITI Aayog. It has a purpose of national investment in and infrastructure fund.
This is second lifeline.
I'm sure 2 is wrong.
First is right.
You know now.
NITI Aayog is there, I think so. But National Investment Infrastructure Fund. The reference and which of the fund?
Yeah, this time it should be right. Yeah, I don't ban really. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because
One.
because
go
I
for
consider you guys both intelligent.
How do we know it is correct? And the 4 crore is there in the present.
one. So that one is na figure na it will be definitely wrong.
I have told this
हाँ.
technique to her.
मुझे नहीं पता था.
I will tell you, don't worry.
हाँ. चलो.
See,
this-
from today I will add one new feature in my current period discussion. Don't worry. See, yeah, your answer.
One.
Yeah.
One mine also. Because that's
Why
how-
you always say what she has said?
Because she said right now it will.
It does not mean that she is always right.
You told her na the number is not correct. So that's why I'm trusting you only.
So okay, it is not correct. But what about it? It can also.
NITI
I'm
Aayog
not
I
sure
said
about
first
it,
NITI
but
Aayog.
make other one wrong. You said no. 50%.
But sometimes knowledge is also important, na?
But
I said you first you use
So
your
I will
brain.
go for D. Then D.
You are changing because of I said it can be wrong as well. I'm just saying that see
nahi.
you don't say don't.
No.
Hey, that's. Is it solar pylon? Okay.
No solar panel.
Hmm.
One NITI Aayog one. You are D. You also choose because I feel like it's of NITI Aayog. But national investment hai. Tell now.
Right.
D. I go for D.
I go for A. I'm not sure that's why.
You were checking the answer, right?
Let's show. Show now. Don't create suspense now.
I like suspense. What is your answer?
He's having lot of fun na.
Who?
You. है ना?
If she's saying D, so why you are not saying D?
Because I said na National Investment Infrastructure Fund is in the this one.
How
NITI
can you
Aayog.
say it is under Niti Ayog? Do you know that? Then why are you saying that it is under Niti Ayog?
But I don't have the knowledge of it. So that's
Yeah.
So
So
I
you-
feel like na it's there.
So you go with
I
her?
studied.
You go with
Why
her?
should I go with her? I have my independent choice. Na. I'll choose for myself rather than going in the herd. You saying go with her
Yeah.
because she's correct.
I don't know. Even I don't know the answer
Last
right
time
now.
also you said go with A part, but we didn't, and you were correct. D na?
D.
That's why.
Niti Aayog is a non-executive, right?
See, now
Now
how
tell
to
me
make
the
it
reason.
correct? See, it is data. So mostly data is wrong in most of the cases. But you know, Niti Aayog is a think tank. It is not a fund providing. Like fund will be provided by other like NABARD, ECDB, National Housing Bank. They are the
NITI
pro.
Aayog is a
Think tank only. It means they give the ideas. They give the ideas, suggestions.
only.
So do you know what will I do from today? Actually,
one more question is there, na? Just tell us.
Wait.
no, listen to me. Actually, do you know what? Because you guys are approaching now, means slowly gradually towards your prelims next year. So you know, actually, I will add from today. Actually, I will create a group actually in Telegram because I have to separate. I have to send you separately and her separately. So I will create one group in Telegram where there will be 3 persons. Okay, and I will send 1 or 2 questions daily on the basis of current affair, a prelims, and you guys have to respond according to your knowledge.
Instead of that, you can do that, na? In
What?
the meeting, you just add that at last.
No, it will take more time.
It will take more time. It will take 15 minutes extra. You know. Yeah. Don't worry. See.
So you will explain in meeting then.
Yeah. See, you will answer the question. Then at next day, I will explain that the correct answer. And I will also tell you that how to make it correct. Like that I've told na how to think.
And this is wrong, na? 4001.
Yeah.
Factual
Factual
data
is wrong.
may be wrong.
Yeah.
Every time, yeah, definitely wrong.
So see.